Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class once again. We will continue reading of the chapter that is water. Take out your environmental studies book and refer to page number 93 of your books. We will understand the concept of water cycle in this audiovisual aid. Let's begin reading. Understanding the journey of water. The sun heats up the water in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. The water changes into water vapor and rises up. On reaching high up, the water vapors cool down and form clouds. Clouds consist of tiny droplets of water. These clouds keep moving with the wind. On reaching the cooler areas, the droplets of water join together, become heavy, and fall down as rain. The rainwater flows back into the rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans, thus completing the water cycle. Look at the picture carefully. This picture explains the water cycle. Boys, the sun heats up the earth, and this heat changes water in the rivers, lakes, oceans to water vapors. The water vapor rises up, it cools down and becomes tiny drops of water. Now these droplets collect around the dust particles that are there in the air to form clouds. The tiny droplets of water in a cloud come together and join to form larger water drops. When clouds become full and very heavy, these droplets will fall on the ground or on earth as rain, and the rainwater runs back into the rivers, seas, and oceans, etc. Now, this whole process goes on continuously and is known as water cycle. Let's continue reading. Hailstone. Sometimes the raindrops freeze on their way and fall down in the form of small balls of ice, which is known as hailstones. Snowfall. In extreme cold condition, example, on high mountains, the water vapor directly freeze into tiny soft snowflakes and snowfalls occur. Boys, look at the picture given to you carefully. You will be easily able to distinguish between the two pictures. The first one depicts the hailstone and the second one shows to you snowfall. Let's move to the next page. Dew. On a winter morning, we find drops of water on plants, grass, or cars parked outside. These are dewdrops. Dew is formed by the changing of water vapor in the air into water on touching cold objects. Frost. Sometimes dewdrops freeze due to very cold weather. This is called frost. Fog. Fog is a low cloud formed on cold winter mornings due to condensing of water vapors in the air near the ground. Sometimes fog is so thick that you can't even see the objects near to you. It also causes accidents. Look at the picture carefully. The first picture shows you dewdrops. Now dewdrops are formed by changing of water vapor in the air into water on touching very cold objects. The second picture shows you frost. Sometimes when dewdrops freeze due to very cold weather. The third picture shows you fog. Boys, you can easily see that you can't even see the objects which are very near to you, and accidents occur due to fog. Thank you, boys. We will be only reading the chapter till here. Kindly read the chapter once again till here and take very good care of yourself till we meet again. Once again, thank you very much for being a part of this audiovisual aid.